and that is it, all back together. Replaced all clips that were missing, so nothing missing now apart from this actually, which you can buy. All these clips were all missing down in here, so replaced all those, all nice and clean everywhere, rubber's all clean. That's as good as I can get it, so I think I'm gonna have to replace that. My new board thingy that I made underneath. This you can buy brand new, though it's not cheap, so I don't know. If I can match the material, I might try and remake it, just because there's nothing to it. Literally trace it and jam the new one in. So all clean at the back, now onto the inside. Alright, please excuse the extreme sunburn. Not bad, huh? This white boy definitely does not tan. I'm super itchy, but it is time to pull the complete interior out of this damn thing and give it the cleanup it's never had in its whole damn life. Now, it wouldn't be a good YouTube video without its issues, would it? So, last seat bolt. This carpet is literally ready to come out. And the nut that is obviously welded on the inside of the chassis has snapped the welds. So, that's stuck in there. I'm going to have to cut the head off. "20 minutes to get that bloody head and smash the thing through. There's a million pieces everywhere. And the carpet almost caught on fire. But we're good. It's out. Holy moly. So everything is out, and the exciting thing is to see what's under the carpet, which we got 1, 2, 3, 350, and I saw another one. Oh, there we go. 550 amongst some washers, a lot of dust, rubbish, and the needle for your end of your pump to pump up your footy. Floor is actually in really good nick, which I'm surprised about. I thought I was going to find some hidden gems, so I'll give this all a big clean. I found a nice self-tapped earth straight into the floor. Apart from that, pretty good under here. So I actually got asked by one of the boys at AutoGlim to give this a test run before it came out. This is actually out now. I've had this for about a month or two, but I wasn't allowed to show it because it wasn't out yet. But I was using it at work for a bit. I'm gonna give it a go on the floor here, and we'll see how good this stuff is. Oh, yummy. What an absolute mission. This is like 2 hours of cleaning compressed into like 1 minute you see of cleaning on your screen here. But carpet came out really good. The carpet was disgusting, so much dog hair. Mats all good, they look pretty new anyway. Seats all good, and I think I'm going to chuck these up for sale while they're in their best state. And then at the moment I'm just going to chuck everything back in until these things sell. This has come up pretty damn good. Not as good as the Evo, because nothing's as good as that car, but floors very, very good. Come up really clean. I will say with that Auto Glim product, the only warning I'll give people is watch out on your stalks, because I noticed it started to wipe off the writing. This one was already stuffed, so don't take that one as an example, but be careful. She's strong. But apart from that, good shit. It must have a detergent in it because it soaps up like really good when you scrub it. So good for carpets, door trims, floors. I even use it to scrape the tint glue off the windows. So it definitely is a multi-purpose. So if you want something like that, go grab it. Our window tint, I have always hated on modified cars. Daily drivers, yes. Modified cars, no, not a fan. Now I know a steamer would make life a lot easier, but I don't have one, and a heat gun actually makes it worse. And it actually hasn't been that bad. This is actually the last door, I've done the other three. So I've got my process down pat. Looks easy, but all the glue is still there. But comes off easy with Windex or that Auto Glim all-purpose cleaner that I've been using. So it actually comes off pretty easily. With a nice brand new razor blade. Makes life a lot easier. That is it. Tint gone. And windows nice and clean. So much better without the tint. Love it. And I just need to get a steamer from somewhere to do the back window, because you obviously can't razor blade it off because of the demister, so you'll stuff the demister strips. So I need a steamer from somewhere. I even managed to fish out the remnants of that seat bolt. So if you can see, whoever put it in has put it in crooked, sent it in, and it's jammed up and broke the welds on the nut that sits inside. So I don't know what I'm going to do there, but for now we're going to run through. I really wish I filmed this, but I thought, oh, I'll clean the gear knob up, because I bought a brand new one anyway. I thought, oh, I'll see how dirty this is. This was a brand new microfiber. And I bought a new one because this looked really worn, like you could hardly see the numbers and shit like that. But all it was all this junk was so caked, like all the grain is still in it. This is a perfect, well, apart from, I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not, but STI gear knob, because STI was the red stitch. So I might even keep this, or if anyone wants this, let me know, I will sell it. It's in extremely good condition now that I've cleaned it. I'm also going to swap out these rear vision mirrors because, as you can see by mine, it's all bleeding out into the glass all the way around the whole border. And this one has a little bit at the top, but that's it. Much better. Clean. First untouched. So replacement mirror, clean visors, clean lens, you'd be surprised how much of a difference that makes, and replace the stupid LED globe. And I noticed I really need to get A-pillar trim. So obviously I had some gauges here at some point. Replace that ASAP. So that is what a day and a half interior clean looks like. Actually, I'm going to pull this out so you can actually see it. It's too dark here in the garage. Starter's so much better with no tint. Whoa. There's a couple of things I'm not happy with. One, this started to strip just like the other side one, so I left it so I can tap it and get another bolt. And also these didn't come up as good as I'd liked. So I'm going to do front seats again. That's obviously where I didn't do, like in these bottom corners. Yeah, front seats again, because they're a bit shitty. And I want to drop the roof lining out to clean that. As you can see, all the shit sort of here. But apart from that, it'll be slowly replace a couple of bits and pieces that are really scratched up, like center console, stuff around here. Get rid of these stupid gauges. I'm still torn whether to keep these seats or not, but if anyone wants them, give me a message and we'll go from there. And believe it or not, I got a steamer, so I can remove the rear tint. Mum to the rescue, of course. So we've got a Karcher steamer. I'll give this a go once I figure out how the hell to use it. So I will admit I have been practicing with the steamer just so I don't look like an idiot on camera as usual when it doesn't work, but it is working very well. And this is where I'm up to so far, and no glue left. Oh, done. Tint gone. Much better, much better, much better. Awesome. These stupid things out as well. Unfortunately, they were screwed straight through the parcel shelf, so I'm gonna have to get a parcel shelf as well. But at least they're out. I think that's gonna be it for this one, guys. This has been I'm wrecked from doing this one video. It's been like 2.5 days straight just to make this one 15 or 20 minute video. And I'm wrecked. It's really muggy here in Melbourne, rainy. But anyway, let me know down below what you think of the WRX so far and what I'm doing. It's still all steamed up. Anyway, see you guys next week.